Sheep vinegar herbicide that outperforms Roundup, ancient practice rediscovered. Distilled white vinegar, acetic acid, has long documented herbicidal properties and has been used for weed control since ancient Mesopotamian and Roman agriculture. Modern research, including USDA and university trials, shows acetic acid at common concentrations, 5% grocery vinegar, kills young broadleaf weeds rapidly, often within 24 to 48 hours, and higher concentrations, 10 to 20%, produce greater mortality, including on some perennial species. Acetic acid acts as a contact desiccant by breaking down the plant cuticle, causing rapid water loss. It leaves no persistent soil residue and typically degrades within 48 hours. Field studies report that 5% solutions can achieve high mortality rates on young weeds, while horticultural vinegar, 10 to 20%, can control established perennials in some trials. Comparative trials noted acetic acid can match or outperform glyphosate on certain broadleaf weeds in speed of kill. The USDA and subsequent peer-reviewed research have validated these effects, and acetic acid is approved for use as an organic herbicide under National Organic Program rules. Practical application notes from trial data: undiluted 5% vinegar applied to foliage on a dry, sunny day is effective against young annual broadleaf weeds. Higher concentrations improve control on tougher species. Adding salt and a surfactant increases efficacy on established perennials but increases soil persistence of salts and risks non-target damage. Vinegar is non-selective and will damage desirable plants on contact. Targeted application methods are recommended where vegetation should be preserved. Limitations include reduced systemic action compared with glyphosate, so multiple applications may be necessary for deep-rooted perennials. Economic and regulatory context: acetic acid is inexpensive and cannot be patented, which limits commercial incentives to promote it compared with synthetic herbicides. Industry influence and regulatory classification of higher concentration formulations have affected research priorities and retail availability. Nevertheless, acetic acid remains a legally used organic herbicide with long-standing historical precedent and peer-reviewed evidence supporting its effectiveness for many weed control scenarios.